The moment you sit in the driver's seat of the Jayco Alante, something clicks. This doesn't feel intimidating like many Class A motorhomes. It feels approachable, confident, and surprisingly easy, like a big RV that actually wants you to enjoy driving it. And that feeling alone already tells you a lot about who this motorhome is really built for. Welcome back to NextGen Motorhomes. If you're new here, this channel is all about honest, real-world motorhome reviews that help you avoid expensive mistakes. So hit subscribe now, because today we're breaking down the Jayco Alante Class A motorhome in a way most reviews don't. Now imagine this. You're pulling onto the highway early in the morning, coffee in hand, sun just coming up, and through that massive panoramic windshield, the road opens up like a movie screen. That's the Alante experience, and it starts before you even touch the throttle. This motorhome is built on the Ford F-53 chassis, powered by the 7.3-liter V8 gas engine. On paper, that's 335 horsepower and serious torque, but on the road what you actually feel is confidence. Acceleration is smooth, merging doesn't feel stressful, and long highway stretches feel far more relaxed than you'd expect from a gas Class A. The steering feels planted, the coach tracks straight, and with Jayco's J-Ride handling package, bumps and uneven pavement don't constantly remind you how big your rig is. One of the biggest reasons driving feels so comfortable is that windshield. It's huge, and I don't mean just visually impressive, it changes your awareness on the road. You see more, you anticipate better, and tight campground entrances feel less stressful because your visibility is simply better than most motorhomes in this class. From the outside, the Alante looks clean and modern. Frameless windows give it a sleek profile, and the one-piece fiberglass roof is designed to reduce long-term maintenance headaches. Storage bays are deep, easy to access, and well-lit, which matters more than people realize when you're loading gear at night or in bad weather. This is a motorhome designed for real trips, not just weekend show-offs. Now let's talk about what it's like to live inside this coach, because that's where buying decisions are actually made. Step inside the Jayco Alante, and the first thing you notice is how open it feels. The layout flows naturally, and nothing feels cramped or awkward. Jayco uses solid hardwood cabinet doors, warm LED lighting, and thoughtful design choices that make the space feel more residential than RV-like. Start in the kitchen, because this is where daily life begins. Morning coffee, quick breakfasts, evening meals after long drives. The Alante's kitchen is built for all of it. You get generous counter space, a large sink, a residential-style microwave, and storage that actually makes sense. Cabinets are where you expect them to be, drawers glide smoothly, and there's enough room to stock up for longer trips without feeling cluttered. Right next to the kitchen is the dining area, and this is one of those subtle upgrades that matters more over time. Jayco's legless dinette table feels solid and stable, not flimsy like many RV tables. This becomes your breakfast spot, your laptop desk, your game night table, and sometimes even an extra sleeping area. It's a simple design choice, but it makes everyday living easier. The living area is where evenings wind down. Whether you're watching TV, stretching out after a drive, or just enjoying the quiet, the seating is comfortable and well-positioned. Large windows bring in natural light during the day, and at night, the blackout shades create a cozy, private space that actually feels like home. Before we go further, if this kind of real-world breakdown is helping you, take a second to like the video and subscribe to NextGen Motorhomes. It tells YouTube this content matters and helps us bring you more honest RV reviews like this one. Now let's move into the bedroom, because comfort here determines how long you'll actually enjoy traveling. The Alante offers a walk-around bed with storage underneath and charging ports within reach. You're not climbing over your partner. You're not squeezing into tight corners. It's designed for real sleep, night after night. Morning light comes in gently, storage is practical, and everything feels laid out with long-term use in mind. The bathroom continues that same theme. You get a proper shower with a glass door, a skylight that opens the space up, and enough room to move comfortably. This isn't one of those RV bathrooms where everything feels stacked on top of each other. It works, and that matters when you're on the road for weeks at a time. Back on the road, performance stays consistent. The Alante feels stable at highway speeds, predictable in crosswinds, and confident on grades. Yes, it's a gas Class A, so you'll hear the engine more than a diesel pusher, but that's the trade-off for lower upfront cost and simpler maintenance. For many buyers, that trade-off makes total sense. And now we get to the moment that usually changes how people see this motorhome: the price. The Jayco Alante typically starts around the mid to high $170,000 range, depending on floor plan and options. And here's why that matters. You're getting a true Class A experience: space, visibility, comfort, storage, and road presence, without crossing into diesel pusher territory where prices jump dramatically. So the real question becomes this: do you need to spend over $250,000 to enjoy Class A travel? For many people, the answer with the Alante is no. This motorhome is ideal for couples upgrading from a Class C, families who want space without intimidation, or travelers who want comfort and confidence without overwhelming size or cost. It's not trying to be the most luxurious RV on the road. It's trying to be the smartest one for how most people actually travel. If that sounds like you, the Jayco Alante deserves a serious look. If you want a deeper breakdown of a specific Alante floor plan, comment below and let me know which one you want to see next. And make sure you're subscribed to NextGen Motorhomes, because the right RV choice can save you thousands, and we're here to help you make it.